In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Ajazz keyboard software. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to their official website, and then from here, you want to go to the download up top and hover over it, and simply click on software. Now, in here, as you can see, there's going to be a bunch of different keyboards you can get different software for. So, for example, here you have like a bunch of different ones. You have drivers, and as you can see, you can just keep scrolling, and you'll find a bunch of different things like manuals, drivers, and then if I go to next over here, you can also find some Max drivers, Pro drivers, screen drivers, stuff like that. So, of course, depending on whatever you need and whichever keyboard you have, you simply can just find the one you need. There's 3 pages of this, so of course, scroll through and find it, or just go ahead and basically search for the name of your model of your keyboard up here, and you'll be able to find it. So, for example, if I type in AK820 over here, it's going to find the models or the software for just that. As you can see, there we go. And then, for example, if you need the driver, you can just click on it on that keyboard, and then here you can basically download your software for Windows over here, and as you can see, it's going to come in a zip folder. So if that happens to you as well, this is actually very easy to do. So you simply open up your downloads folder, you click on that zip, right click and click on extract all, and then click extract again. Now whenever you do this, as you can see in here, there's going to be like another folder, and inside here there's basically this installer, so you just have to run this, and whenever you run it, then of course you'll be good to go. So here, as you can see, there's actually another rare file in here, which means that you have to click on it again. So whenever you unzip this first one, when you open this, there's another zip in here, so you may have to actually extract all again to actually extract it again. And there we go, now you're in here, and in here you can basically just double click on this, and it's going to start downloading or of course installing the software, the drivers, whatever you downloaded onto your computer. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.